Okay, welcome back to Screen Print TV. Today I'm going to take you guys on a tour of my small print shop. Give you a real quick tour. Here to my left or to your right, I have my solar panels that I take out on sunny days. Since I'm not here in the shop all the time, I don't have these permanently mounted. I just take them in and out when I need them. Here's my dryer. This is my dryer here. It's got a 24 width belt and it's probably about I'll say probably 8 feet long. And here's my heat press. I have a heat press here, and up here I have inks on this shelf, and a lot of this stuff gonna go. I just gotta sort through it. I want to do that before the summer. And above that I have a rack with screens on it that goes all the way around. And here I have wires. These wires here is for the solar hookup that I gotta finish. And this is my solar system. I think I did a video showing you guys this here, and I'm going to show you what this here is going to run. It's not going to run this dryer here. It doesn't have enough power yet to run this. The system's not big enough. And here is my washout booth where I wash stuff out. And there I have a dip tank. I have a trash can, and I have some inks here. And like I said, up above I have some more screens. I have some stuff here, and I have spatulas and stuff hanging under here. And this is my tapes here, my heat gun. And right here is my laser system that I turn that on. Yeah, and I turn the other one on there. That's my laser alignment system. And on this here wall here, I have other chemicals, some inks. I have books and color swatches. I have some music. I have some more supplies. And here, this stuff here belongs to this here. And here's where I expose my screen at. Drying cabinet here. I built both of these here to save some money. This was under $50 total. And this right here was practically free because I already had the lumber laying around. And over here on this side, we have another heat press. This is a small heat press. This is going to run off the solar system, solar power. And I have a mug press back here. I have my small Cameo 3 cutter. No, I have not upgraded to the 4. And on the back wall here, everything in this area is related to vinyl, HTV, and sign making. And I have another cutter right here. And I have a t-shirt folder here for adult and youth. And I have all the tools on the pegboard. I have a vinyl holder here that holds vinyl. And right here on the floor I have another small press here that I use whenever I do like classes. I teach how to screen print. I take that, to teach. We do like a one color project. That's my flash dryer here. And this right here is some video stuff that I use to do video with. And up here is my squeegee. I think I did a video on this squeegee holder. It works fine here. And above that I got some fishing, some rod and reels here that I just got here. I go fishing every now and then. I live close to the ocean, so yeah, I go through that in the ocean every now and then. I got rulers and spatulas and everything here too, fresh related, T-square. And that's pretty much it. And this is my dryer. This is my cutter here. This right here belongs to this stuff over here. And I have some tripods and some lighting just for video production. And that's pretty much it. That's my shop. It's small and efficient, and it allows me to do everything that I need to do. And give you guys a panoramic view. Here. And the door is right, that's the door right here. It's the door right there. I got this screen over it, so I leave it open during the summer when it's hot, and it's supposed to help keep the bugs out, but I think I mounted it wrong. I got to redo that. And over there on the other side of the, well, above the dip tank, I have a window. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Screen Print TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. And I am out.